Yeah, now onwards I'll start all the selection screens only, because without selection screen there is no reports itself. Here that much very important. And whenever you are writing selection screen, where conditions means today topic name is selection screens and where condition. Okay, where condition. These two, okay, I will explain one by one. First, what is the meaning of selection screen? Why we have to use where condition? We have to understand it. Like yesterday, we declared one table, some gr custom 10 table. From this table, even standard table also we declared, KNA1 table also we declared. We fetched data from these tables, means we fetched data from these tables. Fetched data from these tables. Okay, then we display directly all the data, we display the output. But here you have to specify some filter type of condition. Okay, filter means like if I execute like only one customer number, example, if I enter here only one customer number, like only one, okay, or C1, if I enter, only C1 will come output, only C1 only should come output. C1 is screen, is selection screen. Okay, C1 is selection screen, only C1 will come to output, only C1 will come to output. Okay, like that. Okay, if I want this one, okay, customer range, okay, customer range, okay, C1 to C2, like range, this is range. If I want like that, like example from C1 to C10, if I want, like C1 to C10, all it will display, C1, C2, all the records with information, C2 to C10, like that. Okay, this data, we have to fetch it. Okay, this data we have to fetch it. How to display? If it is only one record, only one data should come. That is a single value. Like example, I am employee. Employee means I have to enter my employee number. Only I have to see my employee data. Then we can use it. This is single screen. This is we can call single selection screen. This is single selection screen. This is multiple selection screen. Means if I want to see 10 employees data at a time, you can use multiple selection screen. Okay, all the C1 to C1. The C1 is only record, but see name, city, postal code, all we will display in output. Means this is we are calling single screen, single selection screen. This is we can call multiple selection screen. This is we can call a multiple selection. Multiple selection screen. Okay, how to declare? Okay, how to declare this single selection screen and multi selection screen? That concept only we are calling, okay, selection screens. Here we can declare two ways. One is single screen, we can declare it. Another one is multi screen, we can declare it. Okay, if we declare single screen, where condition is different. If we declare multiple selection screen, where condition is different. Okay, first let me write it the code here. Okay, types of selection screen. Types of selection screens. Types of selection screen. Two types. Okay, two types. Okay, one is parameters. Second one is select options. Okay, select options. select options. The parameters means only single value. Okay, like this. Declarations, we can declare it. Only single value. Parameters means this is the example for parameter. This is example. If it is selection screen, multiple values means range. Okay, you can declare like this range. This is the difference between parameters. Okay, this is total, we are calling parameters. Parameters. This is input value. This is we are calling select options. This is input values C1, C10. Range will come. Okay, range. Whenever you declare this code, parameters code, this is output. Whenever you declare this one, this is the output. Okay, this is the output. That is only you can call another single selection screen. Single selection screen. This is we can call multiple selection screen. Okay, multiple selection screen. Okay, one is the parameters means single selection screen. Select options means multiple selection screen. How to declare single selection screen? How to declare multiple selection screen? One by one, first I will write it, then I will show the output. Then we will write two programs. Today only I will write it two programs by using where conditions. Okay, where condition. First this screen I will write it. Next this screen I will write. Difference I will show it. We log on to the SAP. Okay, go to SC38. Okay, first only syntax for parameters. First report is syntax for parameter. Only syntax I am giving, only for this syntax. Then select options. Okay, both I will show output. Start with the only Z parameters. Syntax one. Click on create button. Any selection screen declarations. Declarations. Okay, executable program. Customer production program. Okay, sales program. Any name. Enter. Continue. Continue. Click here. Continue. So once if you declare here, it will show here. Okay. You can take either customized tables or you can take any standard tables. Okay, your wish. Okay, go to SC11. Take if it is standard. Okay, you have to open the standard table. Why means first you have to see that what is the table. Why you are writing this table. Okay. Fields. Why you are using this table field. Because now, if you want to declare customer as an input, like this is a here. This is a table name. This table description is this table is having primary key KEUNNR. This is a field name. This field is having some description, customer number. Now I have to print in output customer. I have to print. See, this is my input. What I am trying to say. First, whenever you are going to declare, first tables you can declare any table, either customized, either standard. Now I am using this is standard table. Standard table. Now I'll write it parameter directly. Say parameters. I need here customer number. Okay, customer. Okay, Okay, like which table? KNA1. Okay, KNA1 hyphen KUNNR. Means if you declare like this, why KNA1? Because this is a table name. This is a key field. Key field for input. Now if you write like this, you can see here what will happen. One selection screen will come. I copied, sorry, I activated here. Then let me check here output F8. Sure, only one input screen has come. Okay, only. Here user can enter the value, like example 1000 if you enter the value. Then if you click here execute, it should come the values. But still, I did not declare all the select query output. I did not declare. Okay, that I will declare next. But let me show this one. This is we are calling parameter. Okay. Okay, 1 second, I'll come back. Milking. Excuse me. No. This parameter means like single selection screen. Single selection screen. So this is a single screen. Same if I want multi-screen, multiple screens like a range. Let me write it here only. Okay, another field right. Select options. You cannot use same customer. Why? Customer already declared. You can use some other name. Cust number. For is the keyword. KNA1 hyphen KUNNR. If you declare like this, okay, this is we are calling okay range. Okay, range. Save. Check and activate. So this is one value that is we are calling this declaration. Okay, now let me comment that one. Selection screen means like select option range. This is low value, this is high value. Okay, low value means any like 1 to 100 if you want. 1 is low value, 100 is a 1000, 10,000 is a high value. Then if you execute only range. Okay, range data will come. That we are calling okay, selection screen report. Okay, selection screen report. How to declare? Okay, how to declare selection screen that I declare here. Okay, this is the way to specify the information. This is the way to specify the information. Then for these tables, means if you are writing these parameters and then we have to write a separate program. Okay, why I have to fetch the data for based on okay single value based on the ranges. Okay, I will write it one program clearly step by step parameters program. Then I'll show the where condition. Okay, where condition. Whenever you are writing here these parameters, we have to use it where condition. Okay, where condition compulsory. Okay, like after select statement, like let me write the total select query. We'll write the select statement. Select KUNNR land1 name1 from KNA1 into table. Yesterday I have written same I tab. Yesterday I closed with I tab only full stop. Okay, yesterday with close with I tab only. But here today we come if we are going to fetch the only customer C1, then we have to write it where. Okay, this field name is there. This for customer number means that field name is KUNNR is equivalent to okay this name customer number. That name you have to enter here. Customer. Full stop. Okay, this is the way. Why means because this is input screen. This is field. This is a field. If you write where condition like that, okay, it will fetch only single record. It will fetch only single record. If it is the same query, if you write where condition for the, okay, where condition for the, if you write it same for where condition for this one, select options. Here just only input screen will come here instead of equal to in will come. Okay, in. Okay, that is only the difference. This is a KNR in customer number, space customer number. Only difference is, okay, this is the difference. This particular here equal to here in. In means range, equal to means single value. Select query only will vary. The remaining data declaration. Yesterday I declared data declarations. Same data declaration, same select query, same loop statement. Everything is same. Even debugging also everything is same. Okay, to declare that one, you have to declare step by step. To declare this type of code, okay, this today I introduced 4 syntaxes. One is this syntax. One is this syntax. Customer number. Where I have written? Here I have written. This syntax, parameter syntax. Okay, write down better this one also. There only parameter syntax. This is. If you write parameters, select query should be like this. Okay, these are parameters. Okay, parameter if it like is there, equal to will come. Okay, next. If select options is there. Okay, select options is there. Select options is there. For is there. For is the keyword. You have to write it compulsory in. Okay, this is a condition for 2 programs. This is a condition for. Okay, these 4 syntaxes I introduced today. One is parameters. If you use in select query, equal to will come. If you use for keyword, in condition will come. Okay, in condition. What is the use? If you use equal to, only single value will appear. If you use for keyword, only range will come. Okay, only range will come. Range will. Now how to do it? Okay, how to do the steps? Okay, one program I'll write, 2 programs I'll write it step by step. Okay, today only this topic. Okay, after that debugging also I will explain. Yesterday program extension. That's it. Same as it is yesterday. Okay, let me see. I opened already table. Let me write it. Okay, I'll come back here once again. Parameter program. Here. Click on create button. Click on create button. New one program I am writing. First program name. First program parameters program. Parameters program I am explaining with the declaration, select query, loop, end loop, everything with the top of page all. Okay, this is a parameters program. Okay, executable program. Okay, sales program. Continue. Here we have to declare here internal tables. Okay, we have to declare here tables. Which tables you are using? The table name. Okay, what is the table name? KNA1. Okay, now I have to declare the parameter declaration. Parameters. See, if you declare here customer, how many digits here? First is 4, OMER 4, total 8. If I declare an extra customer number like this, okay, it won't allow here. Okay, it won't allow here. KNA1 hyphen KNA1. Here why I am using here KNA1? This is a table, same table. Under that, key in NR is a field. Okay, key in NR is a field. See here. Only key in NR it will take because customer I want. Here, if I declare here custom number like this, maximum 8 characters only it will allow. Let's see. To throw error, customer number should have the parameter name can be up to 8 characters only longer. It won't allow more than 8 characteristics. Okay? More than 8 characteristics. Okay, that's why we'll use here. Okay, length is 8 only. Now system will allow for any selection screens. It is maximum 8 only. But your client will ask, I need customer number only. Here I need like this. My selection screen should be. Let's see. First, let me activate. Okay, output. So here customer only. What your client will ask, I don't want this customer. I need customer number. How to do that? For that we have some procedure is there. For that procedure, we have one option is there text elements. Using text elements we can change it. That is how to change it in next sessions. Next one or two sessions you will learn clearly what is text elements. Meaning you can get only customer maximum 8 characteristics. But your client will ask customer number, employee number like that. But employee number means once again that is 6 digit, means total 14 digit. 14 digit it won't allow. Maximum 8 digit only it will allow, 8 characteristics. Okay, that's why we have to declare 8 here only, but we can use another option called text elements. By using text elements, okay, we can maintain the selection text. Okay, selection text. That concept we will see later. But today just we will concentrate only this one. The parameters. Now, declaration part. Last class we declared a fourth way of internal table I declared. That fourth way I am going to declare here. It's the same fourth way I am using here. Fourth way. Or you can use second way. Any table you can use, no problem. How to declare? Types beginner str. Yesterday same program. How to declare? First field. What is the first field? I don't want mandate. Okay, open KNA1. I don't want this one. Now I need KNR. Okay, KNR I have to select. What is the data element? KNR only. Okay, KNR. KUNNR. Type KNR. Land1 type. What is the data element name? Land1 underscore GP. Okay, Land1 underscore GP. Okay, name one. Okay, name one underscore like that you can declare the all the fields. Only 3 fields I have written here. Let me close with str. Meaning, if you want n number of fields like name one, what01, like if I want what01, just enter the what01 also, what01 like that. Just extend. Yeah, extend. If you want what city also, what01 type what01 underscore gp like this. These are all the 4 fields I written. Save it. Check the errors. Here, what is the field for customer? What is the KNR means? Means customer number. Okay, customer number. You can comment it also clearly for your understanding. You can comment. This is customer number. From where? KNA1 table only. Next, what is the land1 means? Land1 means that is country. Country key. This is for your understanding. Double quote. Double quote means commented. This is name. Okay, name. Okay, city. Okay, like that 4 fields. Okay, 4 fields. Save. Check the errors. This is for your understanding. Okay. Not that. Here, fourth way only internal table, but you can declare this is structured declaration. Structured declarations. Okay, comment. structure is over, but structure does not have any memory. Runtime does not have any memory. Okay, no memory here. For that we have to declare the structure, like in runtime we have to declare one buffer table and one work area. Like this we have to declare in runtime. This is we are calling work area. This is we are calling item. We have to declare, but structure already declared. Structure I already declared. Structure is having how many fields? K1, land 1, name 1, ORT01, ORT01. These 4 fields in the structure, all 4 fields I am allocating to, I am just specifying to work area. All 4 fields I am specifying to even itab also. Even itab also. To declare this one, okay, we can use here another syntax. Okay, work area and internal table declaration. Okay, and internal table declaration. Check this one. Okay. Okay, commented. Okay, now I will write it clearly. Steps. Which one? First work area. Okay, work area means first what we have to write? Data declaration. Whenever you declare data, that is having okay, memory object. Memory. Which one is memory? Work area is having memory. Internal table is having memory. That's what I am declaring here. If memory is there, declare with the data. Declare with the data. If no memory is there, declare with the types. Types. Simple understanding. Here no memory. Okay, no memory. Here memory is the data. Memory. Here memory is the data declarations. Like that you can't understand. Okay, types means no memory. Data means memory. Data object we can call. Now this is a data work area type. Okay. Now for this no memory I am allocating here. That no memory I am allocating. Now memory will be created. This is a work area. Next internal table data item type standard table of okay, save check over. Okay. Select. Now select statement. I am commenting here. Select syntax. What is the use to fetch? To fetch the data from database table to internal table. This is the syntax. Okay, means we have data now. Here where is data? In KNA1. Under that KNA1 is having how many records? Display. Okay, number of entries. Okay, 8,822 records are there total. Okay, now I am fetching this data. For that I am writing here internal table. It means from database table to here I am fetching. For that you can use here select KNR land 1 name 1 ORT01. Why I written like this? Yes, here first field select KNR space land 1 space name 1 space ORT01 space. These 4 fields are written from which table? Okay, which table? KNA1. Okay, that is only I written here from database table. What is the table name? From KNA1. Where I am fetching? Internal table into item. But here don't close with full stop here because I have the condition is there. What is the condition? Parameter condition. If it is parameters, what I told you here, if parameters are there, we have to write here This is the syntax where so and so KNR equal to customer number. How to write it here? Okay, here just apply the where KNR equal to what you have written here selection screen. This is only customer. Okay, customer, same customer number you have to write here, same customer space. Okay, space. The same space. Here full stop. Over. Save it here. Check the errors. Okay, sorry, into table because internal is table, no? That's why you have to write it. Without table you will get errors here. This table you will get it. Now select query also done. Means what exactly this select is doing means, let me clearly explain the internal table. Now I declared here one work area, one internal table, but you have the data in KNA1 table. Now KNA1. What we have written here? We have written select query. We are fetching select data. Then all the data from KNA1 it will move to here. Okay, it is 8,000 plus records. All will move to internal table, but all it will move here. Why? Because we are declaring here one option. Which one? Screen. If I enter only one customer number C1, okay, like example, you have 8,000 plus are there, but you need here only, you are going to display only 1,000 record. Only 1,000 only will fetch. It won't fetch all the 8,000. Okay, it won't fetch all 8,000. Okay, only 1,000 record only it will fetch. Okay, if you enter 1,000, only 1,000 only. That is we are calling where condition. Let me write it. That is only here I have written. Here customer, if I select customer C1, only C1 value will fetch to iTab. That iTab data will print the data. Okay. To display the data from internal table to work area in bracket output. This is all just for your understanding, for explanation purpose. I am writing clearly commenting line. Commenting means it won't appear, okay, black color, blue color. It will appear in ash color. Star mark all comment. Single quotation, double quotation are called commented lines. Now I will display here. Okay, today I will write it extra syntax. A loop at iTab. Now data is an iTab into work area. I am fetching here. Yes, this data I am looping to work area. Okay, this is only here I declared here. Okay, first this data iTab it will come, then iTab to work area it will move. Okay, one by one, first record. Okay, one by one it will move and we will print that data. Right, you can declare with length also. Length means you can print it clearly according to your length. -KNR. Okay, length means spaces. After 15 space, after 15th space, then I have to print here country land 1. Land 1 after some space like 25. Work area name 1. Name 1 is 40 fields. 40 plus 25, 65. Around 70 I will give. Okay, these are all the, okay, our own declarations, length declarations. And look, let's see. Save, check the errors, activate. Okay, activate. If you observe now here, output, if I enter here only 1,000, let's say, only 1,000 only is coming. If I enter only C1, if it is there, C1 only will come. Okay. Okay, whatever data you will declare it, that data it will fetch here. But here I need a heading also. Okay, heading extra, one more rule. Okay, syntax I am writing extra syntax for header declaration. Okay, declarations. For header declarations, we will write here one event. Okay, top of page event is the event. The top of page. The customer. Second. The name. Okay, same length. Okay, city. By using these declarations, okay, one U line I am giving. Okay, means let me show the output, then you will understand. See, without this output, first let me show. So now if I print here C1, only C1 only without name. You see, customer number is not there, name is not there, city is not there, like that. But if I write it here, uncomment, I have written already. If I write it like this, let's see, check this one. If I print here only C1, then it will print clearly customer, country, name, city. Okay, it will print. Why I had given space means like this, some space it will print clearly. Okay, some spaces after from here to here 70. After 70 it is printing. From here to here 60. Again something. 25 I think. 21. Like to print this type of data, okay, this type of data, we can use here. You can use here lengthwise format. Length. This you can give any length. It's not fixed. You can use 100 length means 100 length it will print. But I declared city is 70 only here. Let's see. Difference it will come. Okay, difference. Data will print here. But here 70 is there. Okay, that's why this 70 if you declare for this also data. Okay, exactly it will display here. Let's see. Come back. Okay, here also if you declare 70, then it's 70. Continue. Then activate. Test it. This is the way. This is we are calling the select options. Parameter options. Okay, parameter options. Okay, I'll debug this one program. Okay, I'll show that one program. But let me complete it another program also. Okay, that program is select options program. Okay, I'll just copy the paste and just only change the conditions only. Okay, same program. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask me. I will clarify. Amit, clear?
No, sir.
Yeah, Satish. I will explain now second program, that is we can call select options. We will use frequently in next coming sessions. All same type of programs only we can use it. Okay, same program. Now I am going to declare here separator. Okay, what I'll do? I'll copy this total code. I'll paste it in your Skype. Okay, without errors, you can just try in your means first try your own, then try your this code. Okay, just copy it. That's better. Share without all with declarations also. The same code also if you try, then you will get it clearly. Okay, output. Because most of the times here some okay, students they will do that comma mistakes, full stop mistakes. Okay, full stop. Then you try this one, then you won't get any mistakes. Next one. Okay, next one. Okay, select options program. Okay, same program I'll copy paste it, but before that first let me show the what is select options. Here Z select underscore options. We can't create button. Okay, this is second program. Okay, this is today's second program. Select options program. Okay, select options program. executive program, customer production program, sales, sale. First, I'll write it step by step. Tables. Only 2 lines I'll write it, remaining I'll copy it. This is select options. Okay, for customer. For is a keyword. That is the difference. If you observe now here, let's see. Yeah, this is a like is a keyword here. Parameters like. But here, okay, for is the keyword. This is only difference. The remaining program is same as it is. Okay. Let me check output here for this only for. Execute it here. Okay, range will come. Okay, range will come. Okay, range is low value, high value. Okay. Now the remaining code is same as it is. I'll copy paste from this only. Okay, fourth way only. All I will copy. Only where condition I'll change it. Okay, let me write it here clearly. After this, just I'm copy and paste it here. But only one condition I told you. What is the condition? Let's see. Here, whenever you are using here for keyword, okay, for what is the condition? Okay, in you have to use it in where condition. In, okay, you just use here in. That's it. Okay. Save, check and activate. Same report. I'm not changing. Only condition means if you declare this one, select options, use in. Otherwise, data won't come. Even if it is equal to also there, no problem. Let's see. Let me equal to no error. It won't show any error. But output you can see. Now if I enter, okay, 1 to 10, 1 to 10, only 1 to 10 should come. But here it will come all the data. Here it is not. No, it is not displaying itself. See? If I enter 1000 to 2000, okay, no data. Why? Because here condition is equal to is there. It means it is not satisfying condition. Then if I enter in, then check here. Okay, if I won't enter any data, all the data will come. All the 8000 plus data here. All the data. If I enter only 1 and 10, then 1 to 10 how many records are there? All 1 to 10 it will display. 1 to 10 only 9 records are there. All 19 it will come. Okay. Now I don't want all these records. I need a 4 and 6 records only. 4 to 6. Only 4 to 6 it will display. Okay. I need like some 1000 to okay 1000 to 1010. Okay, 1010 any range. But I need like range. But I don't want like this range. I need a second record, 1000 record, 2000 record. Okay, we can display like that also. Means here we have the one option, multiple selection, very important option. Interview question also. Multiple selection we can filter. Okay, as per your number. Like I need 2 record, I need 1000 record, I need 1010 record, I need 2000 record. 4 records I want. Any record, just only for your understanding. And now if you see, only 2 record is printed, 1000 record is printed, 1010 record is printed, 2000 record. Means multiple single values also we can print it. I don't want like that. I need another option. Okay, I need another option. Means another option means okay range. I need 1 to 10 from this one. Then I need 1000 to only 1010. Okay, 2 ranges. Okay, it will show clearly 1 to 10. It will show one range, and 1000 to 1010 also it will show the range. Means okay, we have so many options. So many options. Like in this only I can include that. This is a range single value. This is a range. This is exclude. Exclude means If I enter the values, like some values, those values it won't print. Like example, now if I enter here 1 to, okay, 10,000, okay, 10,000, if I enter 1 to 10,000, it won't print it. See, excluding, okay, red symbol. Okay, 1 it is not there. Say 10,000 onwards it is printed. Okay, 10,000 onwards. Okay, if I don't want that one, okay, I need here, okay, 1 to 10 only I have to, then I can, okay, 1 to 10. This is in the 11th onwards it is printing. 11th. It depends upon how you want. You want to include, or do you want to exclude, or do you want range, or do you want multiple values? Okay, based on that, these programs will work. That we are calling select options. Okay, this is just only for header. Heading means here this header purpose. If you don't want, you can remove, no issue. Okay, but top of page is a one separate event. If you write it top of page, then only it will work. Okay, otherwise it won't work. That's what I have written here. Top of page is the event for header. Okay, for header. I'll show clearly debugging point here, step by step, how it is. This program, better this program only I will show the debug. Same debugging you can work for parameters also. Let's see. Select the report, click on set delete breakpoint, click on here direct processing, enter only 1 to 5 or 4, okay, 1 to 4. By means you can easily understand the records, so that's what I entered only less records, 4 records. Execute. First see the condition. What is the condition? We have written select options. What is select options means customer. You can see your customer. Okay, you can see your customer. If you observe now your customer, you go to your desktop 3. You can see the customer 1 value, 4 values. Still, if you want to understand clearly, customer hyphen low, you can enter 1. It will show. Customer hyphen high, you can enter. High, you can enter. Meaning low means low value. 1 I enter low value. You can write your own. Okay? Customer hyphen high means this is a high value. Means in between range I am printing. Okay, now let's see. Okay, yesterday we selected tables, so it was not working. Now you can see tables. What is the table name? iTab. Let's see. iTab. Now see, iTab is having the 4 fields: customer number, name, land one, name one, city. Now I'm going to select here F5. I told you F5. Select, but still no data has come. In internal table, no data. Now if I press this select query, let's see. Here F5. Now data has come. How many records has come? In internal table, 1, 2, 3, 4 sequence. Because I entered here range is 1 to 4 only. Okay, only 1 to 4 only it is fetched here. 1 to 4. Now this is buffer. This is buffer internal table. That only I have written here. Okay, here. This is only. Now this data we are calling. Okay, this is the data we are calling. This is only internal table. Okay, now this is only internal table. This item. Now we have work area. Okay, work area. Now this first record I will move to work area. Then I'll print it. That's why I'm looping here. Loop at iTab, this iTab into work area. Then first time it will print it. Then second time, second loop. Then third time, third loop. Fourth time, fourth loop. Okay, like this. All the records, how many loops, how many records are there in database? Those many times it will loop here step by step. Then all the records will be printed here. That only we are calling here. I have shown you here. This is. Let me show that also clearly. Now all the internal table is having data, correct? This data I am looping work area. Okay, work area. Go to desktop 3 only. Here first work area means, is there any data here? Work area? No data. Okay, but I will write it field by field. Just click this one. This field. Next, double click all the fields. Double click. Now how many fields are there? 4 fields. Okay, 4 fields. Now I'm printing. I'm looping here. Here we have the record. First record is there. Okay, this it will print here one by one. Here it will show here. F5 share. First record has come. It is looping F5, F5, F5. It will loop that one. Header also it will loop. Then second record should come. Okay. Okay, sorry. First time it is looping. Then second record has come. Second record. Then third record. Third. Next. Here it is changing. You can see here. Okay. So now it is checking. Fourth record will come now. Fourth record. Now it is checking. F5. Line by line it is going cursor. Now no fifth record. Then immediately it will come to end loop. End arrow. Direct execution. Okay, F8. Okay, this is we are calling debugging. Okay, debugging. How to debug the program. Okay, how to debug the program. Okay, means if you want to understand program, compulsory debugging is important. Okay, but this syntax is here. Today I introduced the in condition. Today I introduced the select options. Then what is the use of top of page? This all one by one. Okay, daily you will learn some particular syntax related. Okay, you just concentrate this program first. Select options. Yes, last class just we declared only types of data select loop only. But this class we declared some extra syntax. Select options we declared, in condition we declared, where we declared. Okay, what is the use of where? Yes, only records. Okay, only records based on your selection. Okay, based on your input selection screen. Your input is okay. If there is no input, all the records will come from database. Total data. Same. If data is there, okay. If I want only 1 and 2 record, only 1 and 2 only should come. Okay, that is only you can call selection screen. Okay, selection screen. Okay. Now these two programs you can try today. Okay, today. Then tomorrow programs. Okay, I will start with the another concept. Okay, another concept. We will start. Okay, Amit, understood this? Any doubt here?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay, selection screen is means single footer. Okay, single screen means parameters. Multiple value selection screen is range. Here if you enter only single value, it will print the only single value. Here select options means multiple values. Okay, try these examples today. Okay, try to example. Then we'll start the next program extension. For this program's extension I'll start tomorrow.